So in this video, I want to talk with you about getting Engage because you'll need to install Engage on a headset if you are going to use it for the classes. So I'm going to start by opening up the store, and that's this icon right down here, right there. And I'm going to do a search for Engage. And this is what the Engage application looks like. This is what you're going to need to install on your headset. Mine's already installed, and so I'll just go there now. So this is basically the promo screen for Engage. That's what you would see if you're going to install it. You would have an install button here. If you have it installed, I'm going to start the app here. So this is now the landing page for Engage. Now I've already put in my credentials. When you log in, you have an option to have Engage save your username and password, and I've done that, so that's why it's presenting me with this. If you haven't done that, which likely you haven't, then you're going to you're going to have to put in your email and password. So now we're at the menu where we have events, and so I'm going to click on the events page here, and I'm going to navigate through to the event that I have scheduled for tomorrow. That's going to be on November the 6th. Press on the third one here, and you can see right at the top there is one here for Wednesday the 6th of November starting at 9:30. This is the Immersive Environments class, which I am going to be hosting. When you come into Engage, if you go to this, the events page and find it, you can click on it, and you will be presented with the opportunity to come into the event. The password, it is password protected. The password is GC2024. So that's how you're going to enter the meeting, and you're going to do this either through the headset or through using your computer. And now I'm going to quit Engage. Actually, I'll go back, and if I go to the home page here, and if I click on the Explore link, when you go into Engage, you have the opportunity to go through and go to any of these different locations. I would recommend you would go to the tutorial island, and just to get some familiarity with how to navigate through using the app. My hope would be that you would try this, you would go into Engage, that you would try it out prior to the class tomorrow. And now I'm going to quit the app. So I'm going to press my Oculus button on my right controller. Gives me an option to quit, and so I'm going to quit.